Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and good morning to all my dear students. Dear students, now we are going to learn about accountancy standard 11th standard depreciation accounting. The chapter number is 10th chapter. Okay students, from the following information calculate the amount of depreciation and rate of depreciation under straight line method. Okay, so the statements are given. The four statements are given. Purchase price of machinery is 80,000 rupees, 80,000. Expenses to be capitalized 20,000. So estimated residual value rupees 35,000, and the expected useful life is 5 years. Okay students, there are given four statements. So the second statement is the additional information. Because of the price of machinery is 80,000, so we have to clearly identify the price of machinery is 80,000. Expenses to be capitalized, which means the amount of machinery is 80,000, and the place when we have to purchase. Okay, the purchasing goods is come to our business. So the expenses to be adopted 20,000 for the purpose of rework of the machinery with the help of mechanics and wiring. So what it switching switchboards. So what it may be the usage. We have to usage of machinery, and the cost of machinery is 80,000, and additional cost of machinery is 20,000. So what about our total cost of machinery? So we have to write down on the note the price of machinery plus expenses to be capitalized. We have to add in. Okay, so that's why we have to consume the original cost of assets. So 80,000 plus 20,000 is original cost of assets. Original cost of machinery. We have to find out original cost of assets is 1 lakh rupees. Okay students, then we have to go into the solution. So first we have to find out calculate the amount of depreciation. Okay students, then we have to next rate of depreciation. First amount of depreciation. We have to the formula write down. Amount of depreciation original cost of assets. Assets minus residual value or scrap value. Residual value divided by estimated usage of life, expected useful life, or expected useful of life. Okay students, this is the formula of amount of depreciation. So we have to write down the black pen. So original cost of assets, how to calculate it? We have to write down on the price of machinery plus expenses capitalized. How much? 1 lakh rupees. We have to original cost of assets or machinery. Okay. So assets name is given, so we have to write down on the machinery. Original cost of machinery. We have to write down on this side. Okay students. So first original cost of machinery, how much? 1 lakh rupees. Then minus residual value, how much? 35,000. So how much? The answer is 35 divided by useful life, how much? How many years? 5 years. Okay students. So 1 lakh minus 35,000, 65,000. Then 5 years. How much? So 65,000 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5 minus 1. 6 minus 5 1. Remaining 1. We have to write down only 5. Okay. So 5 3s are 15. So 15 minus 15, 0. So remaining 3 zeros we have to put on the upside 0, 0, 0, 13,000. So 13,000 is our amount of depreciation. Okay, students? Amount of depreciation is 13,000. To find out the amount of depreciation is 13,000. That's all. The next rate of depreciation find out. This formula is amount of depreciation divided by original cost of machinery into 100. Why we have to put on the 100? The rate of depreciation find out is into 100. Percentage we have to find out. So into 100 we have to write down and also the formula also. Then amount of depreciation is how much? 1 lakh rupees. You know. So the amount of depreciation, we have to find out the answer. Amount of depreciation is 13,000. Okay, students. The original cost of assets, how much? 1 lakh. Into 100. So we have to 1. Okay, you know well. So we have to 1 to identify. So 1 into 1 lakh, same answer 1 lakh. So 13,000 into 100, we have to 13 lakh. Okay, so we have to cross multiplication. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The zeros are cancellation. So remaining only 13 is the answer given. So 13% is the rate of depreciation. The rate of depreciation is 13%. Okay, so we have to find out the every students must know the depreciation accounting. Okay, because of every students are becoming a accountant or auditor. So we must know all the business. They have to amount of depreciation, how much of depreciation, amount of depreciation, and how much of rate of depreciation is depreciate the machinery. Okay, I hope to every students they are very well now. If any doubt, please comments to me, share your students, and subscribe first of all. Subscribe my channel. Thanking you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to all.